Understanding public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud strategies. Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses operate, offering flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. But not all cloud strategies are the same. Organizations must choose the right model based on their security needs, workload requirements, and business objectives. Let's break down the 4 key cloud strategies: public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud. Public cloud, scalable and cost-effective. Public cloud services are offered by providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms allow businesses to rent computing resources on a pay-as-you-go basis. Key benefits: scalability, quickly expand resources as needed. Cost efficiency, no upfront infrastructure investment. Global reach, access cloud services from anywhere. Best use cases: hosting websites and applications, big data analytics, development and testing environments. However, public cloud may not be ideal for organizations with strict security and compliance requirements. Private cloud, security control. A private cloud is a dedicated infrastructure used exclusively by a single organization. It can be hosted on-premises or by a third-party provider. Key benefits: enhanced security. Data stays within a controlled environment. Customization. Tailor the infrastructure to specific business needs. Regulatory compliance. Meets strict industry regulations. Best use cases: financial and healthcare industries with sensitive data. Businesses requiring complete control over their IT environment. While private cloud offers more control, it comes with higher costs and complex maintenance compared to public cloud. Hybrid cloud, best of both worlds. A hybrid cloud combines on-premises infrastructure or private cloud with public cloud services. This approach offers the flexibility of cloud computing while maintaining control over sensitive data. Key benefits: flexibility. Keep critical data on-premises while leveraging cloud scalability. Cost savings. Use the cloud for high-demand workloads while maintaining core infrastructure. Business continuity ensures backup and disaster recovery across environments. Best use cases: companies with seasonal workloads, e.g. retail during holiday seasons. Businesses needing disaster recovery and backup solutions. Organizations transitioning from legacy infrastructure to the cloud. Hybrid cloud requires strong integration and management tools to ensure seamless operation between private and public environments. Multi-cloud, avoiding vendor lock-in. A multi-cloud strategy involves using multiple public cloud providers, e.g. AWS plus Azure plus Google Cloud, to avoid dependence on a single vendor. Key benefits: redundancy and reliability. Prevent downtime by distributing workloads across clouds. Optimize performance. Choose the best provider for each workload. Cost management. Take advantage of competitive pricing from different cloud vendors. Best use cases: enterprises seeking high availability and redundancy. Companies using different cloud services for specific applications. Organizations looking to negotiate better pricing and flexibility. Managing multiple clouds can be complex, requiring advanced orchestration and monitoring tools to maintain efficiency. Choosing the right strategy. Every business has unique needs, and the right cloud strategy depends on security and compliance requirements, workload demands and scalability, cost considerations and IT resources. Many organizations adopt a hybrid or multi-cloud approach to balance security, performance, and flexibility. Final thoughts: understanding public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud strategies is essential for building a resilient and scalable IT infrastructure. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into VMware Cloud's role in enabling hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. Let's continue.